Hello students, today we are going to see this new chapter which is known as data visualization using PiPlot, uh, line chart, pie chart and bar chart. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to see what is data visualization, list of types of data visualization, list the uses of data visualization, list the types of visualization in matplotlib. Okay, so this is an program interface that is available for Python. So how to use it and how to practically install this matplotlib and explore importing matplotlib, uh, and classify the types of data visualization plots, practically create various types of plots using matplot. Okay, so data visualization is a graphical representation of information and data. So general type of data visualization are graphs, data tables, charts, maps, infographics, and dashboards. Okay, so here you can see the definition for infographics and dashboards. Okay, so next is introduction to matplotlib. Okay, matplotlib is the most popular data visualization library in Python. It allows you to create chart in a few lines of code. Okay, different types of visualization in matplotlib. So line plot, scatter plot, histogram, box plot, bar chart, and pie chart. Okay, so this scatter plot is points. Okay, it will be scattering all the required points in the table according to a cluster. Okay, according to the cluster you can take the decision. Okay, so this box plot is a standard way of displaying distribution of data based on the 5 member summary, which is known as minimum, first quartile, median, three quartiles, and maximum. Okay, so these are all the steps that are used to um install matplot. So mip. Okay, so mip is can be installed by using this by using mip. Okay, so which is a package. So you have to first import. If you want to use matplotlib, you have to import it just like it is used in the example. Import space matplotlib dot py pyplot as plt. So as plt is the object for uh, this class. Okay, so this class can be accessed by using this plt is the object. Okay, so in that you can see the function which is known as plot here. So 1 2 3 4 is a value. So this will increase the it will create a graph for you in an increasing order. So if you want to create another graph with deviating values, then you can create the same program with the additional values so that you can see the deviating value. Okay, so next is plotting 2 points at the same graph. So here they have defined three different points here, two different points with the y and x2 y2, and the plot can be used to create plt is the object and plot function is used. X label, y label, everything is created by using this um, plt function, sorry, plt object. And you can see that these are all the buttons that are available in the PiPlot window. Home button, go back or forward, pan axis button. Pan axis means the x-axis and y-axis can be shifted to any position by using this uh, pan axis button. Okay, zoom or zoom in or zoom out, configure subplot buttons, and lastly save the figure. Okay, so next is special plot types. So line chart, This, if you want to create a line chart, then you will be using this specifically a given line chart. So you have to give the data, which is plot dot plt dot plot, and you have to give the title, and then you have to select the data, okay, years and total population, so that it will create a pie plot for you just by using this uh, data. Okay, so this is a line chart. Next is bar chart. So if you want to change into bar chart, then you have to create another function which is known as plt.bar. Okay, so the last thing is plt.plot. Now you can see that plt.bar is the a function that to create a bar chart like this. Okay, so in figure 16.6 you can see the uh, bar chart. Okay, so next is a difference between histogram and bar chart. So histogram refers to the graphical representation and displays the data by way of bar, so shown in the frequency of number numeric data. So a bar chart is a pictorial representation to compare the values of in bars. Okay, you can change the values in the histogram, but you cannot able to change the values in bar graph. Okay, so this is the difference. You can see the uh, difference here. Next is pie chart. So we have seen plot, bar and pie. Okay, so these are all the functions of plt. Plt means plot function. So by using this plot sorry, by using this pie function, you can create the pie chart of a particular table. Okay, so particular value. So with this we are finishing today's class. uh, with this we are completing the entire syllabus. From the next class onwards we will be seeing the practical programs. Okay, thank you, students.